What's going on YouTube? It's Saxon here, and we have a new unboxing for you today, so let's bust it open. There it is, 8Bitdo arcade stick for Xbox. Game Pass after scratch. I already have Game Pass, but I'll hold on to that. Here is the USB cable, USB-C. Okay. Here is the manual. Let's take it out of here. Here's the stick. Here's your USB port. Here's the dongle. Here is the 8Bitdo stick right next to the Hori Street Fighter 6 for the PS5. Let's try to pair the stick up to the console and see how smooth it runs. Alright, so it's plugged in and turned on. So per the instructions, we're gonna put this on the arcade stick mode. Okay, and then it says press the Xbox button. Turn it on. And there we go, that's it. Very simple. Now let's test it out. So far, it's a really nice stick. I love how it feels. I absolutely love these buttons. These are my favorite style buttons, and they're shiny too, so I don't think I'm gonna be doing any kind of changing to these buttons. I might change maybe the ball top to maybe a different color one, but right now I think this is perfect right out of the box. Some really cool features. I love that it's wireless. The dongle was super easy to connect. All I had to do was plug it into the Xbox and then hit the home button, and it automatically connected right away. So you can connect it wirelessly through the dongle, and I noticed absolutely no input lag whatsoever. I was able to play this flawlessly, which is why I like using this method over the Bluetooth. I think this connection is much smoother and much faster. So if I want to use the USB, you can use the USB, but I found no lag, so I think wireless is perfect right now. They have different switches settings for your microphones up here. Of course, you have the 8Bitdo extra start and back buttons. I like how this home button feels. It's has a little bubble on it, which is actually a nice little touch. And now I'm gonna peel off on camera. Oh, look at that. Oof, beautiful. So I highly recommend this stick. This is really nice. This is great. I'm gonna use this for season 2 to whoop some cheeks. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the 8Bitdo stick. Highly recommend it. Nice. So far, first impressions, no negatives. So I can't really say I have any issues with this so far. Very nice. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Spread love, not hate. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.